Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix camera shutter lag in Motorola G67. So before starting video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. So let's start the video without wasting time. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, clear cam cache. Open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app, search camera app. Now click on camera, scroll down, click on storage, add cache, and now here you will see clear cache. And if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, camera will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting, scroll down, click on system updates, scroll down, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory reset. Again open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option, scroll down, click on erase all data, factory reset, and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, picture, video, photo will be deleted from your phone. Now go back. This is how you can fix camera shutter lag in Motorola G67. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.